Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today we're going to be making these white chocolate raspberry muffins. Here is the list of ingredients. Now let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375 and line your muffin tin with muffin liners and set it aside. Measure your flour by spooning it into the measuring cup and then leveling it off. Then add that to the bowl. Now add in the baking powder and the salt and give it a whisk. Add in the sugar and mix. And set it aside. In another bowl, add in your eggs and whisk. Add in your milk and mix. Now slowly add in your butter and mix, and then add in your vanilla and mix that together. And now add the dry ingredients to the wet and mix just until you stop seeing flour. Now add in your frozen raspberries and mix. And then fold in your white chocolate chips. And now just fill each one evenly. It makes 12 in total. Now bake them in the oven for 25 to 29 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean from the middle. And cool them in the pan for 3 minutes before transferring them to the cooling rack to completely cool, or you can eat them warm. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Enjoy!